Do you know how to graph a linear inequality? Let's take a look at an example. Y is less than 2x plus 4. Now you've seen a linear equation before where y equals 2x plus 4. And you may notice right away that these look very similar. The big difference is that there's an inequality symbol here and that there's an equal sign here. However, we can use the same tools that you learned using linear equations when we work with linear inequalities. This is the Y-intercept, and here is our slope. Just like the Y-intercept is 4 in the linear equation, and 2 is the slope. So using this linear inequality, we know the Y-intercept and we know the slope, so we can graph this inequality. Take a look. Again, we have y is less than 2x plus 4. 2 is our slope, 4 is our y-intercept. Now let's look at how to do this on the coordinate grid. Here's our coordinate grid. First we're going to graph the y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to put a point there. Our slope is 2. Now remember that slope is rise over run. So when we have a whole number of 2, we can say the slope is 2 over 1. So let's start at the y-intercept and go up 2, 1, 2, and over 1. Now, notice that this symbol says that it's less than. Y is less than this area right here. So it doesn't include the line. So we're going to use a dotted line, and we're going to graph the area that is less than this line. The solution is somewhere within this orange region. Let's look at another one. Let's look at one that would have a solid line. Y is greater than or equal to 3x plus 2. Let's look at what we know. We know our slope is 3, and we know our y-intercept is 2. Now notice that y is greater than or equal to this linear inequality. So when we graph this linear inequality, it's going to look a little bit different. Here's our coordinate grid. Let's start off by graphing the y-intercept. We go up to 2, and now the slope is 3. Rise over run would be 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3, and over 1. Now, because y is greater than or equal to this linear inequality, we're going to use a solid line. We use the solid line because the point that would work as a solution could be on the line or it could be greater than. So greater than, we are going to go this way with our solution. So the solution is either on the orange line or greater than the orange line. This is the solution, and now we have graphed a linear inequality.